Everyone thinks the best-selling shocks and struts for Mustangs are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Detroit Axle 4 PC Kit. Let's kick things off with the Detroit Axle 4 PC Front Struts Rear Shocks Kit. Priced at around $244.86, this kit caught my attention because it comes with both front struts and rear shock absorbers, making it a complete package. If you want a solid base for your 2011-2014 Mustang, this is worth a serious look. Now, why does this product stand out? These struts are specifically designed for the 2011-2014 Mustangs, ensuring a perfect fit for your base or GT model. The two front struts come with coil spring assemblies, which means you're getting everything you need in one kit. Plus, they're rigorously tested for impact and wear, offering a 10-year warranty, which speaks volumes about their durability. This matters because you want components that can handle the demands of sporty driving without sacrificing comfort. Now here's the honest flaw. Some users mention that installation can be a bit tricky for those who aren't mechanically inclined. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in a little elbow grease or have a professional help out, it's a small price to pay for the overall quality and performance you get. This is perfect for you if you're a Mustang owner looking to restore or upgrade your suspension without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're not ready for a DIY installation, but for the value, it's hard to beat. Now, if installation ease was a concern for you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more straightforward setup. Product number 2, Detroit Axle 6 PC Kit. Next up is the Detroit Axle 6 PC Suspension Kit, priced at $255.03. What really drew me in was the inclusion of sway bar end links along with the struts and shocks. If you want a comprehensive upgrade for your 2011-2014 Mustang, this kit is something you should consider. The 10-year warranty reflects the manufacturer's confidence in their product quality, and that's essential for you if you're planning to push your Mustang's performance. Here's why this matters. Sway bar end links play a critical role in maintaining your car's stability during cornering, which improves safety and driving enjoyment. However, some customers reported that the struts felt a bit stiff at first. But here's the thing, once they settled in, many found that the handling improved significantly. So if you can give it a little time, the initial discomfort isn't a deal breaker. This is great for you if you're serious about enhancing your Mustang's performance and handling. Skip this if you prefer a softer ride right out of the box, but for the performance-focused driver, it's definitely worth it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more tailored. Product number 3, Detroit Axle Front Struts. Coming in third, we have the Detroit Axle Front Struts for the 2015-2020 Mustang, available for around $219.66. What caught my eye was how these are designed as complete assemblies. If you're looking for a straightforward replacement, this is definitely something to consider. These struts come ready to install, which means no extra work or special tools are needed. That's a huge plus for those who just want to get back on the road quickly. They also undergo rigorous testing for wear and fatigue, ensuring that you get a product that lasts. This matters because you want your suspension to be reliable, especially if you're driving your Mustang hard. On the downside, some users mention they experience slight noise after installation. Here's my take, minor noises can be common with new struts as they settle, and many find that it resolves itself over time. If you're someone who values performance over a quiet cabin, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect if you want an easy installation process without compromising on quality. Skip this if you're looking for a plush ride, but it's a great value for the money. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the next option might just surprise you. Product number 4, Detroit Axle 6 PC Front Kit. Next, we have the Detroit Axle 6 PC Front Struts Kit for the 2005-2010 Mustang, priced at $278.53. What impressed me here is that it includes both struts and sway bar links. If you're looking to upgrade an older model, this one deserves your attention. The sway bar links are essential for maintaining responsiveness during turns, which is crucial for a Mustang. Plus, it's designed for a direct fit so you can install it with minimal hassle. This matters because when you're dealing with older vehicles, you want something that won't give you a headache during setup. However, I did notice some complaints about the weight, as it's on the heavier side. But honestly, the weight can actually be beneficial for stability, especially in a muscle car that's meant to handle high speeds. This is ideal for you if you're restoring a 2005-2010 Mustang and want a balanced ride. Skip this if you need something lightweight for racing, but the stability factor makes it worth the investment. Finally, let's wrap things up with a budget option that still packs a punch. Product number 5, OCPTY shocks for older models. Lastly, we have the OCPTY front-rear shock struts, which are a budget-friendly option at just $84.60. This caught my eye because these are compatible with a wide range of Mustangs from 1994 to 2004. If you're looking for an economical option for older models, this is worth a look. These shock absorbers are designed to improve ride comfort and control, which is exactly what you want if you're dealing with an older Mustang that might have lost its edge. They can dampen vibrations effectively, which translates to a smoother ride. Here's why this matters. Comfort is key when you're cruising around or taking a longer drive. That said, some buyers noted that the installation process can be a bit tedious due to the lack of clear instructions. But I'll be real with you, if you're handy or have someone to assist, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Plus, for the price, it's hard to find a better value. This is perfect if you're on a tight budget and just want to restore your older Mustang's ride quality. Skip this if you prefer premium features, but for the cost, it's a steal. Now that we've covered all 5, let's quickly recap the highlights of each option. So to wrap it up, we started with the solid Detroit Axle 4 PC kit for its complete package. Then we looked at the 6 PC kit for enhanced handling, followed by the straightforward Detroit Axle front struts. After that, we had the 6 PC front kit for older models, and finally the budget OCPTY shocks. Each option serves different needs, so pick the one that aligns with your Mustang goals.